I was gifted this pop-up stopper for review. First off, I want to highlight how it's made of really high quality steel and copper and plastic. Comes with 4 different rubber gaskets so you can get the right seal on your drain in your sink. And it's got this dual basket system, which is really interesting. So you line it up like this and pull it out so you can get all of your dirt and debris out of there and it doesn't go all the way down your drain. And this one, you line up like this and pull it out like that. And so you're able to clean out both baskets, which is really interesting. Sometimes something like this can get really gunky, and now you don't have to worry about that with this. So I have this really janky looking old stopper that I'm going to replace this with. You do have to disconnect this where it hooks in under the sink, but it's just a little screw that you unscrew and then it comes right out like that. And we're just going to put this on as is and see how it works. So it sits in there pretty flush. And then we push it down and we're going to fill it with some water and watch it fill up. And if we listen close, no water is draining. It's holding. And there we can see it draining, and any dirt or hair or anything that's too big to go down the drain is going to get caught in those baskets down there. So if you're needing to replace a drain in a sink that has a small drain like this, like a bathroom sink, I highly recommend this one. I think it'll do a really good job, and the hair catcher, best feature.